Look, you got this bullshit job, you make a bullshit pay. You got a bullshit excuse to get off for the day. You got this bullshit friend who like to bullshit and play. Not me, 'cause I ain't bullshitting my life away. It's bullshit, I say. It's everywhere that you go. Your girl bullshitting in the mall, spinning up your dough, the bullshit education, your bullshit student loan, telemarketing selling bullshit on your phone. That's the bullshit zone, where the bullshit never cease. Bullshit politicians, bullshit papers we read, bullshit on TV, selling bullshit ideas. The bullshit building fund been at your church for the last 30 years. The bullshit's everywhere. So to Jesus I pray, Lord, I can't take the bullshit. Keep it away. Man, don't bullshit me about the bullshit I do. You was bullshitting me. So I'll bullshit you. That's that bullshit.